and like yeah, and it's just been hurting like I would say creativity in games where it's really just
Mm.
indie games and big games. And we don't have like these like medium-sized games like Hades that come out and are super creative and change the market, or
Yeah.
Slay the Spire, but Slay the Spire was more of an indie game, so it doesn't really super count. But or games like Terraria, like just games that like set a new precedent. I
Yeah.
feel like are going to become less and less common over time as the game market
Mhm.
becomes more saturated from smaller devs, and as it gets more and more predatory, like with what Unity tried to pull.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's become too
I swear
monopolized.
everyone's left Unity or something. Like no one uses
Yeah,
it.
yeah, like everyone's no longer using Unity because that was insane. To have like part of your like license for the game, to have part of your license for the engine allow for you to have to pay money to the company off your installs is like there's you could be selling the game and lose money by having to pay Unity fees. There's like a the math worked out that that was a possibility, and that shouldn't be a possibility. And this is
Yeah,
the license you
it's
pay for,
weird.
so this is on top of
Oh,
paying for using the
Ubisoft
engine.
as well.
Yeah, Ubisoft is awful. Blizzard is
Did you hear about
awful.
that? Did you hear about
What
the
do they
story?
do?
Basically, if you don't sign in with 30 days, they will delete your account and all your games will be lost.